with a soft heart, carrying storms that don't depart. I try to move like nothing's wrong, but quiet souls don't feel that strong. I breathe slow, let the morning in, let gentle feelings touch my skin. Every weight I held last night falls a little in the light. Soft heart, heavy sky, still I find a way to rise. Even when the world feels tight, I keep walking toward the light. Soft heart, heavy sky, tears don't mean I didn't try. Every breath becomes a guide, holding me from deep inside. It's not weakness when you feel too much, it's just a soul that needs a softer touch. I let my doubts wash down the shore, promise myself I'll try once more. I'm learning how to trust the rain, how to sit with honest pain. Every truth begins to yield when you let yourself be real. Soft heart, heavy sky, still I find a way to rise. Even when the world feels tight, I keep walking toward the light. Soft heart, heavy sky, tears don't mean I didn't try. Every breath becomes a guide, holding me from deep inside. And if the night begins to bend me, if my fears try to defend me, I whisper slow into my mind, even the fragile stay aligned. So I carry love where I can, slowly learning how to stand. Soft doesn't mean I fade away, it means I feel and that's okay. One day soon the sky will clear, and I'll walk on with less fear. But till then I stay sincere, holding close the things I hold dear. Soft heart, heavy sky, still I find a way to rise. Even when the world feels tight, I keep walking toward the light. Soft heart, heavy sky, tears don't mean I didn't try. Every breath becomes